Brate, da li nosiš pištolj kad ideš noću u šumu? That's usually the first question I get from Balkan men when I share my experience. But honestly, walking alone at dusk or night is very restful. Yes, once in a while you get that heart-skipping moment in the dark. But with a little bit of experience, you know it is almost always just a cat slipping through the bushes, maybe a rabbit darting off, or a deer quietly watching you from a distance. Now ask yourself, it is night and you are in Bosnia and Herzegovina. A dog is barking nearby. Are you really going to wake up an entire village with a gunshot? A wolf approaches. Are you that confident you would hit it with your gun? A villager mistakes you for a thief, is lightly armed, and yells at you. Are you seriously putting a gun on him? Carry what's legal, but stay smart. A firearm may solve the moment, but creates a bigger mess.